Since Ken Carson's music doesn't usually have a lot of instrumentation, let's first start by making our main melody. For that we need to find an aggressive lead that can give anyone constipation.
Who does number 2 work for? Who does number 2 work for?
That's right, buddy. You show that turd who's boss.
Let's add some effects on that shit. EQ, a flanger, a stereo widener, and a compressor. That's sounding good, but I feel like we still need another layer to help it pop out more. Just like my little guy down there when I haven't had any coochie for a while.
What's that?
What's what?
That.
Yeah,
Micro shift and EQ. Now that we've got both our synths, let's hear how they both sound playing together.
Oh my god! Wow!
Let's work on a counter melody. EQ and a compressor. Okay, that's it for the instrumentation. Now let's move on to the drums. Since Ken Carson's beats don't usually have a ton of drums playing, let's work on a simple drum pattern that is still fire. Now let's work on a hard 808. Compressor. And you know I had to EQ that shit.